This is problem number 2 from section 2.3. In this problem, they say solve the inequality symbolically, express the solution set in interval notation. In this problem, we have a fraction less than another fraction. Because of the fractions, I want to cancel those fractions out. So I want to multiply by their denominators. But because there's two denominators, it makes sense to multiply by what's called the common denominator. So I'm going to multiply by the common denominator between these two, which is 4 and 7. 4 times 7 is 28. So the common denominator, we'll write that up here, common denominator that's 28. So we're going to take 28, multiply it by 2 minus x over 4, and less than, and we're going to take 28 and we're going to multiply it by 2x minus 4 over 7. Now when we multiply 28, remember it's 28 over 1, and we multiply it in here, these cross cancel, leaving us just with 7. So it's really 7 times 2x minus x less than, and when we have 28 over 7 here, we end up with 4. So 4, parentheses, 2x minus 4. So that's why we multiply by the common denominator, because it cancels out the fractions for both sides. This gives you 14 minus 7x less than 8x minus 16. We're going to add the 7x over. So we get 14, which is less than 15x minus 16. We're going to add the 16 over. That's 30 less than 15x. And finally, we're going to divide by 15 on each side. That leaves us with 2 less than x. Or we can write that as x, and remember the greater than sign's facing the x, so I put the greater than sign facing the x, greater than 2. Now they want us to express it in interval notation. Well, x being greater than 2 means our solutions are larger than 2. Well, what's the largest number? There isn't one. It's infinity, right? We represent it with infinity. So the smallest number, though, is 2, but we can't actually have 2. We could be like 2.1 or 2.01. But 2 doesn't actually work in this problem, so we put a parenthesis there. We're going 2 all the way to infinity, but infinity is not a number, so we put a parenthesis there. 2 to infinity is the solutions.